Hi, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. I was going through some boxes in the back room and I found one that looked like it hadn't been opened. So I opened it up and this is what was inside. Look at this beautiful artwork. I'm sorry I can't get it all in the camera in one shot, but this is just a beautiful, beautiful box art. But it seems that sometime last year, last spring or summer, I was on eBay. I vaguely remember it now, and I saw this while looking at something else, and this popped up, and they were selling it for 25 bucks. And I thought, a 35th scale Sherman tank for 25 bucks? Sure, why not? I'll throw in a bid. And I won it. But apparently I've never opened it and looked at it. So, get the whole box. It's by Ming. I've never built any Ming kits, but let's take a look inside and see what we got, because this, if it's anything like the box art, this is going to be a cool kit. Welcome back to Pappy Tinkers, and we're about to look in this thing. We've got some nice box art on it from Ming. Like I said, I've never built anything from there. Kit includes a Sherman tank, M4A376 wet, 2 resin figures, includes a whole set of precision detail upgrade photo etch parts, including a metal barrel and new paint schemes. It's got some paint callouts from AK Interactive on the other side. Let's see. Beautiful artwork on the side. A little history of the tank, of the Sherman. And this particular one says it's from 2nd Platoon A Company, 13th Battalion, 1st Armored Division, Big Red 1. Oh wait, that's the infantry. From the U.S. Army near Lorenzo, Italy in 1944. So this is designed to represent a specific tank. Let's see what we got inside here. Carefully take this off because I certainly want to keep this box. It had already been opened. Oh gosh, look at the instructions. Another beautiful picture of this. Stored a lot of stuff in Japanese that I can't read. Supplies. It's a 25-page instruction book, and it looks like a lot, so far it looks like a lot of the kit goes together as any other Sherman. It's nice to have the colored instructions here. I see a whole lot of little small details that you normally don't find on these Sherman kits. Nice detailed hatches, it looks like. Three-piece turret ring. It's got, this is showing the inside of the gun breech. Oh, yep, here it is. We got some interior. We have the gun breech on the inside. I don't see anything else for the interior. Well, that's fine. That's fine. There's lots of other interior kits in there. Well, let's take a look at the rest of the stuff here. I'm not going to take this out of the plastic. Oh wow. On the machine gun belt, this is going to be hard to see, but you can actually see the individual cartridges coming out of the ammo box. It's got both, it looks like 230 cals and a 50 cal. Nice delicate periscope guards. I'm going to pause for a minute while the dogs make their noise. And the Pioneer tools and some other goodies on this one. A lot of turret pieces, muzzle brake, the inside of the gun breech, the hatch detail looks good, and I can see some casting on the turret ring. It's the bottom, so I don't expect a whole lot. We'll find out what the top of the turret looks like. Some good texturing that I can feel on the transmission cover here. Got the dust shields. Separate bolt plate for the transmission cover. Set of springs and bogies. Looks like nice details on this, and it looks like it might be movable or posable from these pictures. It's hard to say. Oh, we've got some great parts. Wait a minute. What are these? This isn't anything to do with the tank. This looks like Jeep parts. It didn't say anything about a Jeep part. Okay, well, hang on. Let's get back to that in a minute. Ha! We got a windshield. We got another clear piece. Some clear track things going together. Separate piece for the periscopes inside the turret hatch. That's rather cool. Here's the main body for the Sherman. It's got cast texture all over the plate. The welds look pretty good from as well as I can see through the plastic. And it was all nicely covered up. Wow, there's all kinds of goodies in here. What's this? This is a Jeep body. Who's this by? Tacom. Well, this wasn't supposed to be in there, but I'm not going to complain. So apparently we do have a Jeep in this kit. Score one for me. Oh yeah, look, oh my gosh, look at this delicate frame for the Jeep. Wow. Oh, I got this whole other Jeep. I didn't even know Tacom made a Jeep. There's the hood and the front fenders. That's where the windshield goes. Oh, this is way more detailed than the first couple Tamiya Jeeps I've ever built. That's for sure. Oh, this is cool. So I got two kits in this one. Some more Sherman parts. There's the engine deck, some tools, machine guns, lots and lots of individual track pieces. This right here, this is not going to be fun. Oh no, it looks like each track is the top, bottom, and the link, plus extended duckbills. Now the extended duckbills are kind of cool to have. I'm betting this part count is going to be close to 1,000 with all this. Three sprues of tracks. Oh yeah. Oh, here's the top of the turret. It's got some nice detailed casting on it. Shouldn't have to do a whole lot more to that. Yeah, I really don't see having to do a whole lot more extra texture into that. I think if it's applied with an airbrush, I think it'll be just fine. Another Jeep grill. I don't know if this is an optional one, or maybe there's two Jeeps in here. I don't know. What's this? Utility truck sagged wheels for the Ming Take-On. Definite decal. Set 5 wheels with spare. Oh, this is cool. I got... Hey, there's a lot of extra stuff in here that wasn't supposed to be in here. Photo etch start set for the Jeep. Wow. Nice photo etch set for the Sherman. Wow, look at all those little pieces and even buckle tie downs, little chains. Oh, this is gonna be a lot of work. Set of instructions for the Jeep. With good color pictures. Hey, it's got a tripod with a 50 caliber mounted in it. Let's just glance over this real quick. Fold it out. It looks like you can have the interior set up in a couple different ways. Excellent and delicate looking seats for this. This is cool. A box of Foulette springs. Do I want to open this? Oh, I should be very careful. Oh, and look, I don't know if you can see it on this thing, but the back of the box folds up into, let's see, one's a Jack Daniels wooden box, and the other one is Chesterfield cigarettes. Oh wow, that's cool. That is very cool. Oh, look at these delicate little springs. I gotta be very careful with these. And they actually work. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to dust off all of my skills for this one. This is for sure. I wonder if this is an extra or just part of the Ming kit. I don't see a brand on this box. What's this? A whole extra bag of tarps, bed rolls, gas tank cans. Remember guys, I only paid 25 bucks for this. I am pretty freaking thrilled right now at this point for all these extra things. Hanging tarps, I don't know a brand, but I don't care. There's a lot of good resin parts on this. Here's two more photo etch things. Here's the photo etch barrel, and it looks like headlight guards. Not much for the details, but it was only supposed to be for a specific Sherman, so that's fine. That's fine. What's this little plastic bag over here? Oh, good guy. Look at all these individual pins for those tracks. Oh my gosh. Hey, we haven't even gotten to the Victory Kiss pictures. Let's look at this first. See what's in this box for the Victory Kiss figures of the tank commander, of the Italian lady that comes up and gives him a kiss. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this tank commander. I don't know how well you can see the expression on his face, but he's like, yeah, I'm the guy. That's just me. This is cool, and look, even the detailed goggles. I'm pretty sure his lips are pursed. Say, come on, kiss me, baby. Oh, those are beautiful figures. I don't know that my painting skills, my figure painting skills are up to the task, but we're gonna try it anyways. This is, wow, this is an amazing kit. What are these Alpine things? Got a set of wheels. We got 3 more figures, it looks like. Yeah, 3 more crew members. I'm not sure I've ever bought any Alpine resin figures, but let's see how this looks. 25 bucks! And I just now opened it. Ah! Oh, I love it. Okay. It's good figures up there. Every bit as delicate, and oh, it comes with 2 heads. Oh, that's cool. One with a regular helmet and one with Tinker's helmet. I wonder if they all have 2 heads. Wow, this is definitely a nice $25 score. This one's smoking a cigarette. Oh, they both have 2 heads. 2 heads included. I got way more than my $25 worth for this kit. 100%. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is the best looking set of instructions that I've ever seen just for this artwork. I'm thrilled. I am excited. I am sorry this box opening went on for 20 minutes, but I'm just like, wow. Every once in a while something goes right for Pappy, and this is one of those times. So if you managed to hang in this long, thank you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.
For me, and have a wonderful day.